So in this video, we're going to cover free radical quenching. So there are three main enzymes to deal with free radicals, and we're going to focus on the most important one. And the overview is to understand what is a free radical. And the free radical is the sparks that fly off the production of electricity inside your factory, your electricity factory. So I'm going to use a couple terms here, a couple jargon, couple things here, and this gives me a brief overview video. Basically, your cells are just microscopic cities, and cities require electricity factories. And electricity factories require fuel and oxygen to burn the fuel to make electricity. And when you burn stuff, you create sparks. And sparks are dangerous because then the building and machinery can catch on fire, and that's bad. So you've got to hire janitors to make sure you catch all the sparks and put them out so they don't light everything on fire. These janitors are called free radical scavengers. They are the enzymes that go around and neutralize the sparks. And the names of these enzymes are MN-SOD, GPX1, and CAT, which stand for manganese superoxide dismutase, glutathione peroxidase, and catalase, respectively. So you don't need to be on a first name basis with the names of these things. I do, but the basics are that enzymes are made in the mitochondria, your electricity factory, to put out all these sparks. Your ability to put out the sparks is very important, and it's genetically determined as long as you have enough of the substrates and nutrition to build them. So there's three genes. One for each of the types of janitors, MN-SOD, GPX1, and CAT. So I'm going to focus on the head janitor, Mr. SOD, or technically it's MN-SOD. MN stands for manganese, but just because it's memorable, Mr. SOD. So Mr. SOD is the head janitor, and we're going to focus on him. And he's the one that makes sure that you're able to deal with all of the free radicals, and his subordinates, GPX1 and catalase, they can handle, literally mop up. So if you have issues with your head janitor, then the entire capacity to deal with free radicals goes down, which means that your machinery and the factory itself is much more damaged, way more often and more severely, which then inhibits your ability to actually make energy to run the entire place. So dealing with free radicals is extremely important. In fact, 95% of all free radicals are generated in the mitochondria of all the sparks in the body. So we're just going to dive in a bit deeper into all of this in the next videos.